The Campstream One is a revolutionary compact camper designed for modern explorers who value mobility and comfort. Its streamlined structure integrates intelligent storage, energy-efficient systems, and lightweight construction, making it ideal for both weekend getaways and extended outdoor adventures. With an emphasis on convenience, it offers quick setup, eco-friendly power solutions, and optimized space utilization. The Campstream One redefines travel freedom, blending innovative engineering with sustainable living in a portable, stylish design. The Paxos Twin Lakes backpack introduces innovation to outdoor gear with its patented swing arm system that allows instant access to essentials without removing the pack. Built for fishing, hiking, and photography, it balances durability with ergonomic comfort, ensuring users remain efficient and hands-free. Its weather-resistant materials and thoughtful compartments enhance functionality, while its unique design streamlines movement. This backpack represents a new era of convenience for adventurers who demand speed, accessibility, and reliability. The Thedouken Loft Penthouse is a cutting-edge modular living concept that merges modern luxury with efficient, sustainable design. Built to maximize compact spaces, it offers a refined interior crafted with eco-friendly materials and smart technologies. Perfect for urban dwellers or mobile setups, it delivers the elegance of a penthouse lifestyle in a portable, adaptable footprint. By combining sleek aesthetics with practicality, Thedouken creates a new standard in minimalistic yet sophisticated living. The Opus Camper OP4 transforms outdoor exploration with its rugged off-road capability and advanced air beam tent system. In just 90 seconds, it inflates into a spacious and fully equipped camper, featuring a modern kitchen, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and durable off-grid features. Designed for adventure seekers, it tackles challenging terrains with ease while offering the comforts of home. The OP4 blends innovation and reliability, making it one of the most versatile campers for outdoor freedom. The Enimaka portable hammock stand is engineered for effortless relaxation anywhere. Lightweight yet strong, it supports quick setup without tools, offering versatility for camping, beaches, or backyard escapes. Built with durable materials, it folds compactly for transport while ensuring maximum stability and comfort. Its portability and ease of use make it a game-changer for adventurers who seek comfort on the go. Enimaka redefines leisure by bringing the freedom of a hammock to any setting. The AeroGogo Aero Tent is a next-generation inflatable tent engineered for speed, durability, and convenience. Featuring advanced air pump technology, it sets up in minutes while maintaining a strong, weather-resistant structure. Designed for adventurers, it offers ample interior space, reinforced seams, and eco-conscious materials, ensuring reliable shelter in any environment. Lightweight yet rugged, the Aero Tent redefines modern camping with comfort, efficiency, and portability. The Utem Origin 800 is a modular portable power station, built to keep outdoor adventures fully powered. Its stackable battery design allows users to expand capacity seamlessly, while fast-charging technology ensures reliability on the go. With multiple ports for devices, appliances, and tools, it combines versatility with rugged durability. Compact and travel-friendly, the Origin 800 is a sustainable solution for energy independence in camping, RVing, or emergencies. The V-Blanket is a high-tech smart blanket designed for ultimate comfort and adaptability. Equipped with temperature-regulating technology, it adjusts warmth to individual needs, ensuring perfect coziness in any setting. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for camping, travel, or home relaxation. Combining premium fabrics with advanced heating elements, the V-Blanket offers safety, efficiency, and modern luxury. It transforms the simple blanket into a multifunctional tool for comfort everywhere. The FlashSpeed Pro 3000 is a professional-grade portable power system delivering rapid charging and high output for demanding outdoor or emergency needs. Designed with advanced lithium technology, it powers heavy-duty equipment, electronic devices, and camping gear with ease. Its sleek, durable design ensures reliability under tough conditions, while intelligent safety features protect against overload. Compact, yet powerful, the PRO 3000 sets a new standard for mobile energy solutions. The Kalaris CL2 is a multifunctional camping lantern engineered for versatility and durability. Featuring 360 degrees adjustable arms, it transforms from a compact light to a wide-area illuminator, ideal for tents, trails, and outdoor gatherings. With multiple brightness modes, USB charging, and long-lasting battery performance, it provides dependable lighting in all environments. Rugged and weather-resistant, the CL2 blends practicality and innovation, making it an essential tool for modern explorers. The Ignik FireCan Portable is a compact, eco-friendly campfire alternative designed for adventure without compromise. With a rugged AmmoCan-style build, it delivers safe, controlled flames using propane, eliminating smoke and mess. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard gatherings. Certified for safe use, the FireCan provides the warmth and atmosphere of a fire with minimal impact on the environment, redefining outdoor social experiences. The Eno Double Nest Hammock is a legendary two-person hammock known for comfort, portability, and durability. Crafted from lightweight, breathable fabric, it packs down small yet supports impressive weight. Easy to set up with Eno's reliable suspension systems, it's perfect for camping, festivals, or backyard relaxation. With vibrant designs and exceptional build quality, the Double Nest combines fun, function, and freedom, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts worldwide. The ZenBivy Motobed is a luxurious motorcycle camping sleep system designed for comfort and convenience. Featuring an integrated mattress, pillow, and bedding in a roll-up design, it delivers home-like sleep outdoors. Crafted with high-quality fabrics and insulation, it ensures warmth and adaptability in all conditions. Compact, portable, and quick to deploy, the Motobed redefines adventure rest by combining premium comfort with practical portability for riders and travelers. The UCO Stake Light revolutionizes camping essentials by combining a durable tent stake with an integrated LED light. Offering ground-level illumination, it enhances visibility, safety, and convenience at campsites. Lightweight and weather-resistant, it's easy to use while providing hours of reliable light. Perfect for marking tents, trails, or gear. The Stake Light blends innovation with practicality, turning a simple tool into a multifunctional outdoor necessity. The Hammock Outpost is a heavy-duty portable hammock stand built for strength and adaptability. Engineered with precision, it supports hammocks in places where trees aren't available, from deserts to beaches. Its collapsible design makes transport easy, while the durable materials ensure stability in any environment. Designed for comfort seekers and adventurers, the Outpost redefines hammock freedom, offering relaxation anywhere without compromise. King Camp sleeping bags are crafted to deliver warmth, comfort, and durability in all outdoor conditions. Engineered with premium insulation and weather-resistant fabrics, they ensure restful sleep from summer nights to extreme cold. Lightweight yet cozy, they compress easily for portability without sacrificing performance. Designed for campers, hikers, and explorers, King Camp redefines outdoor rest with reliable quality and thoughtful design for every adventure. The Pocket Sink is an ultralight foldable water basin designed for ultimate portability. Perfect for camping, hiking, and overlanding, it offers a practical solution for washing, cooking, or cleaning on the go. Built with waterproof, durable materials, it packs down to pocket size yet expands to a functional sink in seconds. Compact, versatile, and eco-friendly, the Pocket Sink is a must-have for efficient outdoor living. Nomad Grills delivers a portable, premium charcoal grill designed for both backyard chefs and traveling adventurers. Featuring aircraft-grade aluminum construction, it combines durability with lightweight portability. Its innovative design allows it to function as both a grill and smoker, offering versatility in cooking styles. With superior heat control and rugged build, Nomad Grills provides gourmet grilling experiences anywhere, redefining outdoor cooking. The GoLo GoCamp is an all-in-one mobile camping solution designed for simplicity, comfort, and freedom. Its compact design integrates sleeping quarters, storage, and outdoor functionality in a lightweight build that fits most vehicles. Easy to set up and transport, it empowers adventurers to camp anywhere with minimal effort. Combining practicality with comfort, the GoCamp is a versatile choice for modern explorers seeking flexibility in outdoor travel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.